Hey Jesse, what are you doing?
Oh, I was just thinking, if I drop this water bottle out this window, if it would explode.
That's a good question. I don't really know. I wonder if there's a way we can find that out.
Scientific method.
What's the scientific method?
Oh, let me tell you. So, the scientific method has 6 steps. First step is asking a question, like, will my water bottle explode when I drop it out of this window? And the second step is research. I was thinking about it because earlier I was learning about gravity and that it pulls things to the earth at an increasing velocity. The third step is a hypothesis. Something I wrote just before you came in was, if I drop this water bottle out of this window, will it explode? It will explode because the impact will compromise the structure of the bottle. Then the fourth step is the experiment. As you can see, I already threw a couple down there and they all exploded.
Interesting.
Yeah, and then that brings us to our 5th step, which is analyzing the data. As you can see, they're all exploded. So I used that data to come up with the 6th and final part of the scientific method, which is proving my hypothesis. I proved that if I throw a water bottle out of this window, then it will explode and the structure of the bottle will be compromised because of the increasing velocity.
Interesting. So as we can see from this experiment, we use an example of deductive reasoning because we started with a general idea and then proved it with specific observations, as we can see, because of the broken water bottles at the ground from being dropped outside the window. The opposite of this would be inductive reasoning, which starts with a specific observation and making generalizations based on that. An example would be assuming that all other bottles will break in the future because the last one broke. In this experiment, we use a hypothesis, which is pretty much an educated guess. It's pretty much you have barely any data backing up what you think.
That was the first thing we did when you asked me what I was doing, huh?
Indeed, that's what you did. A theory is a tested, well-sustained, unifying explanation for a set of verified, proven factors. So in this case, we found out because you dropped it more than one out, we learned that because of gravity and the speed that goes down, it's going to break the bottle. Law, on the other hand, is a description of an observed phenomenon, which is pretty much a little bit different from a theory because the law does not try to explain the event that has happened, while a theory explains it by backing it up with data. A hypothesis doesn't have any data in it. It's just pretty much what you think is going to happen and what you're going to try to guess on. So yeah,
Sweet. Good work, scientists.
good work. Yep, exploded. Damn.